Hi guys, and welcome to this week's video. So I've had 2 cups of coffee today, so I'm extremely hyper and energetic right now. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Also, I felt very extra today, and so I did this. So I hope you guys like it, and if you recreate it, don't forget to tag me in all of your pictures. All of my social medias will be linked down below. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this week's video, and I'm gonna not keep you guys waiting to see how this all happened, and let's just get right into the video. Okay, yes, we're back to the doing one eye and then not doing the other eye. So yeah, it's great. Okay, so let's do this. Why am I sitting on my feet? I don't know. Also, I've had about 2 cups of coffee today, so if I seem really just like hyper, that's why. I've had a lot of caffeine today. So, okay, so the only palette we're going to be using today is just the Morphe 35B palette, just because it's extremely colorful, and so is whatever is happening on this side of my face. So, let's do it. Alright. Ooh, my nose is really itchy. Okay, so we're going to be going in with our really fluffy little translucent brush right there. And then going into 2 different colors, because why not, right? So we're going to be going into this red color here and this orange color here. And we're going to be putting that as our transition shade. So, let's do it. Let me just like scoot closer. I feel like I'm like really far away, and y'all need to experience the wholeness that is my face. Next, we're gonna go in with just this red color here and put that a little bit low. Yeah. Sorry that my eyebrows are a little insane right now. I'm lazy and I don't want to do them. Okay. So next, we're going to go in with this brush, just a blending brush. I'm going to go back into that red color, mix it with a little bit of this sort of pinky purpley color, and then put that on the outer V of your eye. Alright, now we're gonna go in with this teensy weensy little brush, and we're gonna go in with that same purpley color and with the bright pink that's right above it. And put that on our lower lash line. Alrighty. Now, we're gonna go in with the blue. This is everyone's favorite part. Okay, so we're just gonna go in with this brush. I can't even speak English. And this blue right there. Alright, so do that sort of deal, and then take another brush like this one and go in with this super like, that super green, mossy green, and then this bright green right there, and sort of blend it all together. If you can even call this blending, it's fine. Next, I'm just gonna like back up for a second. And you're gonna go in with the NYX glitter primer and put that all over the blue. And then you're gonna put blue glitter on top of that. It's gonna be an experience, y'all. All right, you ready? I'm not. Okay, let's just scoot closer again. Hi. Then you're gonna take a teensy weensy little brush like this one and put the blue glitter all over your eyelid. And try not to get fallout, but you know, you're gonna get it anyway. It's fine. It's just a part of life. Now that your entire eye is covered in glitter and so is your face, you're gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverley Hills Nichole Guerrero palette. Go into Forever Lit, which is this white color, and put that on your inner corner. You're gonna line your eyes. I'm just using the Cosmetics liquid eyeliner. Just doing a cat eye. Oh, that was gross. Okay. Alright, so I just went ahead after I did my eyeliner. I just popped on my lashes and some mascara. The mascara that I used was the Smashbox Full Exposure Mascara. And eyelashes I used, I can't even find the box. The eyelashes I used were the NYX lashes in Risque. The box just fell. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go onto lips. So the eyes are already like ridiculously, hello, I'm here. So I'm gonna go in with a sort of nude-ish color. I don't wear nude because I think nude looks absolutely terrible on me, but to each their own. So I'm gonna be going in with the Tartiest Lip Paint in Delish. I'm just gonna be going in over my lips with this. Alright, so this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's a very extra, if those are the right words, look that I did today, this week. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this look. Like I said earlier, I've had 2 cups of coffee, so if you cannot understand anything that I've said during this entire thing, I'm sorry. All of the products that I used will be linked down below, as well as all of my social medias will be linked down below, so don't forget to follow me on those. Also, I'm so sorry I didn't do a Valentine's Day video. I just didn't really want to. I'm not a huge fan of Valentine's Day. I think it's a really pointless holiday. So yeah, that's why I didn't do one. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to like and subscribe down below if you haven't already, and become a part of my cute little family. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye!